This is Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. Actually, I'm right here. I want to show you a closer view of the C&O K2 Mikado by Broadway Limited. There's a drawing by Alvin Stauffer that I have that's laminated. And as far as I can tell, this locomotive is spot on. They did an excellent job on it. It's got smoke, sound, cab light, as you can see. All the piping and everything, the detail, as far as I can tell, is correct. Everything's there. The lowered headlight, the Lesco feedwater heater system, and piping. Function 7 turns on the smoke. There's a whistle on it. I hope this comes out good. I can't monitor this camera on my phone. Anyway, headlight comes up when you crack the throttle. There's smoke. And of course, in reverse, got the backup light. It also brightens up a little bit when you crack the throttle. 16 VC tender on this one, and this is the same number as my drawing that I have up on the wall, 1177. The sound in it, as far as I can tell, it sounds like a C&O whistle to me. I've got the album that the Historical Society made years ago with J.I. Kelly's recordings. Any rate, there's quite a few of these still in stock at Broadway, and I'm a dealer for them. If any of you want one of these locomotives, contact me. Casey Jones 1950 on yahoo.com. My price will be the same as factory direct. It's $764.99, but I'll offer free shipping to anybody in the United States. So if you want one of these, contact me. Send me a deposit through PayPal, check, money order, and I'll get one ordered for you. Again, this is Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. My email address again is caseyjones1950 at yahoo.com. Out for now.